to Samsthiti, 100 Meditations in 100 Days. Meditation is one way to activate your full potential. And today I proudly bring to you Miss Swati Sharma from Indore. Swati is a numerologist, she's a journalist, tarot card reader, art therapist, and she does lovely paintings. And today she's going to talk to us about Soham Hamsa meditation. And I'm very intrigued about this meditation. So Swati, welcome to Samsthiti. Thank you very much for agreeing to being a part of this talk.
Thank you, Lina. It's a beautiful endeavor that you have started, and I'm really, really proud and happy to be a part of this. Thanks you for inviting me.
My pleasure. So Swati, tell us something about Soham Hamsa. What is it all about?
So Soham and Hamsa are actually the mantra meditation. They are called the breath mantra. They are there from the ages. They were in the Kashmir Shaivism. They were in the Upanishads. They were in the Vedas. Everywhere they are found, and they are based on the non-religious fundamental with which you can easily raise your kundalini up. You can relax your mind. You can do many things with this little 2-syllable mantra meditation. And though it is a mantra, but it is still called the Ajapa Gayatri mantra. You can call it Pran Gayatri or the Pran mantra, because it has the Japa mantra has 3 kind of variations in it. One in which you pronounce the mantra, and the second is Upanshu. That is called, first one is called Vachik, second is Upanshu, in which you whisper the mantra, and the third is the Manas Jap, in which you recite the mantra, but you do it mentally, you don't speak the mantra. And Ajapa is just about, it is for the Japa. These 3 are the forms of Japa.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, and
so I'm intrigued about the
and Japa. The Japa mantra is.
Go ahead.
Yeah. So Ajapa is just opposite of Japa. You don't. You have a mantra, but you don't do the mala jap, or you don't have to sit at a place in a defined position in a temple or anywhere. You can do it anywhere, and this is based on your pran shakti, based on your breath. So every time you do an inhalation, you mentally think of a syllable, and when you exhale, you mentally think of a syllable, and that's how the mantra Soham and Hamsa are created. So in a day, if you happen to be breathing normally, you breathe 21,000 times, and if you are reciting mentally the Hamsa or Soham, you will be doing this mantra 21,000 times in a day based on the prana. And with every breath you are taking, you are relaxing yourself, you're rejuvenating, your focus is increasing, and your kundalini shakti and the pran shakti within you is expanding. So that's why it is beautiful. So when we breathe in, that is the we have 2 syllable into it. So sakar and hakar. So Soham is made of sakar and hakar, 2 syllable. And the sakar represent sakar and hakar represent the opposites that is found in the nature, that is Purush and Prakriti, or the feminine and masculine forces, sun and moon. This kind of opposites are there in the nature, and so is the inhalation and exhalation. So we inhale sakar and exhale hakar, so it becomes a mantra jap of Soham. And we reverse the process. We inhale the hakar and exhale the sakar, the sa bij mantra, then it becomes the hamsa. So both are based on the same syllable, based on the same policy or same fundamental, but their results are quite different. Yeah. So
Very
the yeah. So Soham is basically the rejuvenating mantra and Hamsa is relaxing. So you just opposite, do the forces of reverse in order, and the result is also just reversed at the same time. So Shiv and Shakti are present in these two Bij mantras, two syllables, like we can call it Purush and Prakriti. It is a totally non-religious mantra, so anybody can use it for their meditation practice, and no other rituals are involved, no mala is involved, anything. Only you need is yourself and the breath, and you can do it. So this
Can you
is the
share
basic.
more about the Kundalini chakra and its connection with Soham Hamsa?
Yeah, so when you breathe in, so it is actually based on the Shaivism and the yogic, the policy. They say when you breathe from the base of your spine, okay, and to the, you breathe in and have a long inhalation, and the Pran Shakti moves from the Mooladhar, that is at the root of the spine, and you can raise it up to the third eye with your breath. So this is done with the inhalation and the so sound. And when you exhale, the Pran Shakti again rejuvenated and goes back from the Agya Chakra to the Mooladhar, and there we recite the syllable hum. So that's why with each breath, your Kundalini power or your Pran Shakti is increasing and raising towards the Sahasrara. That is the final aim of having the moksha or the bliss and everything. The life purpose is there in the Sahasrara. So that makes it very easy to learn, easy to practice, yet very, very profound and powerful in its uses.
So what would you say that this mantra can be used to awaken the Kundalini, or to prepare the body, or to continue Kundalini awakening?
So if you just read about the text, the religious text and the Upanishads, and when you learn about the Soham and Hamsa, the benefits are uncountable. So you cannot just count on fingers. You will become dizzy. Not only the Kundalini, you will become disease free. You will become relaxed. Your mental capacities are doubled. Your manifestation power is enlarged. So there are many benefits there. It is useful for the young children, whether they want to enhance their memory or their brain skills or their concentration power, and it is as beautiful for the elders who wants to enhance their sleep quality. They have insomnia and they have stress. Anybody who is going through the trauma can have it, because the trauma, the body is in a very fatigue condition and it rejuvenates and relaxes at the same time. So this is a mantra that can be used by anyone, anytime, not only for the Kundalini practitioner. But yes, if you are a Kundalini practitioner, the results are immense and very quick. And sometimes it looks like magical. You are breathing and still you are doing nothing extra in your daily life. Still, you are raising your Kundalini power, because your breath is going in and out with the Bij mantra syllable, and your Kundalini Shakti is at the momentum all the time. So making the Kundalini up and keeping it active, and all chakras balanced, it is becomes very easy with the Soham and Hamsa.
Yes, it looks easy, but the process is quite revealing and quite intriguing. I got that experience. I have heard about Soham Hamsa when my Kundalini awakened accidentally, and then I started studying more about it. And that's where the Soham Hamsa meditation came into my repertoire. And I was intrigued about it, that you were doing the meditation. And why don't we now get ahead and do the meditation?
Sure, it will be
Yes.
wonderful. I
Thank you
ask
so much.
all my the students and everybody who comes to me for the workshop that once for 15 minutes, at least you start by 10 to 15 minutes, you start, and then you go ahead and increase the time as per your capability, and start doing it with the minimum time daily. The results will be
Fantastic.
fantastic. So, yeah, sure. I would love to do the meditation.
So come on then, let's get on with it. And I'm going to start playing the audio of your Soham Hamsa. Thank you so much.
This is Swati Sharma, and I welcome you all to the 100 days of meditation called Samasthiti, conceptualized by Dr. Tripti Jain. Today is my day, and I am going to present before you the ancient and powerful mantra meditation called Japa Japa. The healing effects of this meditation on mind and body are numerous. You can practice this regularly every day. This heightens your awareness. This is a natural, universal mantra which is associated with our breath. Let's begin the journey. Sit in a place where you won't be disturbed. If you have any unfinished jobs, please finish them. Keep your phone aside and sit into a very comfortable seated position. Place your hands upon your knees and keep your palms facing up. Close your eyes and relax your face. Take a nice deep breath. Inhale and exhale very, very slowly. Take a nice deep breath in and exhale slowly. Observe the inflow and outflow of your breath. Don't consciously try to control your breath. The breath mantra called Japa Japa that we are using today is called Soham. It is a Sanskrit mantra that means I am that. Soham represents the union of Shiva and Shakti, which are Ha and Sa. The sound Ha and Sa represent sun and moon, prana and apana, the incoming and outgoing of vital energies. Imagine a circle of light around you. The circle of light can be of any color. It can be bright white light, golden, or you can choose the violet light. The circle of light separates you from the world of daily life. With this intention to detach yourself, see yourself sitting inside the circle of light. Let it protect you from disturbances, distractions, and mental dissipation. Feel the entire body sitting comfortably still. Release any unnecessary tension and pay attention to the moment of breath. Be aware of the touch of the breath everywhere in the body. Make sure both the body and breath stay absolutely relaxed. Focus your attention at each of the following energy centers, moving systematically through the body and inhaling and exhaling at each point. Bring your attention to the eyebrow center and start moving your attention from there to the throat center, to the right shoulder, right elbow, right wrist, each of the right fingertips, right wrist, right elbow, and right shoulder. Bring your attention once again to the throat center. From there, move your attention to the left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, each of the left fingertips, left wrist, left elbow, and left shoulder. Bring your attention to the throat center once again. From there, move to the center of the heart. Inhale and exhale to the center of the heart. Bring your attention to the center of the throat once again. From there, move your attention to the heart center. Inhale and exhale at the heart center. Move your attention to the navel center, center of the pelvis, pelvic floor, and once again to the navel center, heart center, center of the throat, and eyebrow center. Now release all the tension from the eyebrow center. Keep your focus to the eyebrow center and start feeling the incoming and outgoing of the breath. Imagine the breath moving into the inner space of the whole body. The vibration of a slow wave of breath is to be maintained from now on. When you inhale, say the japa mantra. So, with your inhalation. When you inhale from the nose to the center of the pelvis. And when you exhale slowly from the center of the pelvis to the throat, and from there to the nose. Be very, very slowly and make the sound hum. Repeat with me, inhaling with the sound so deep down to the pelvis. Exhaling from the pelvis to the nose with the sound hum. You don't have to pronounce these sounds. You have to just mentally imagine this sound with each of the inhale and exhalation. So, So keep mentally practicing and reciting this mantra. Many thoughts will be coming to your mind, and sometimes you will find it difficult to concentrate on your breath. Don't forcefully stop the thoughts coming to your mind. When they come, just witness them. Observe that a thought has come and bring your awareness and focus back to the inner sound of the breath. And keep mentally reciting the mantra Soham. Soham. Let your concentration be fine. Be sensitive and allow your mind to rest with the breath. With the time, the duration of inhalation or duration of the so sound will become longer, and so will be the exhalation sound. Make your sound as slow as possible. Once the Soham rhythm has been established, begin to contemplate the meaning of Soham and start connecting to your essential self. The meaning of Soham is I am that. You connect to your inner self, that in turn connects to the higher self. Contemplate on the source of your breath. As you inhale, breathe in the energies of the universe. Let the word soul bring in the power of the universe to your body, rejuvenating it, making it happy, blissful, and relaxed. And as you exhale, feel your exhalation releases you, releases the negativities within you, the overwhelming thoughts expand into the universe. Leave your body positively strong. And the negativity is merging back into the atmosphere, back into the infinity. The Soham sound is bringing the connection of you to your inner self, giving you the protection and removing obstacles from your mind and body. Practice this meditation daily. Start with the 10 minutes alarm and slowly start increasing the time to 20 and 30 minutes. Do this meditation regularly. Before opening your eyes, take a moment to sit quietly for a minute or two after finishing the Soham cycle. Let these 2 minutes go into the complete serenity and silence, what we call Nishtabdata in Hindi. No sound. The prana with the energy of Soham will be rejuvenated and give your mind and body a complete makeover. Once again, I leave you reminded that Soham is a Sanskrit mantra. That means I am that. That is Brahma, the universal consciousness. I am universal consciousness. Soham, I am that. This is an energizing meditation. If you want to go very, very deep into relaxation, we will reverse this meditation to Hum and Sa. That is called Hansa meditation. Hansa in Hindi means swan, Hans. The sounds and syllables of the mantra are same. The Shiv and Shakti and Pran and Apan. The only difference is when you inhale the sound hum and you exhale the sound so. It is just opposite of the Soham and it is pronounced as Hans. As the Soham meditation energizes your breath, Hansa meditation cools and relaxes the prana. You can practice both the meditations separately, or you can start your meditation with the Soham, that is energizing and vitalizing to the prana, and the meditation with the Hamsa, that is cooling and relaxing the prana. Let's practice the Hamsa meditation for 2-3 cycles with me. Inhale the sound Hum. Exhale the prana with the sound. Inhale Hum. Exhale Inhale Hum. Exhale Hum. 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 Repeat this meditation for 10 to 20 minutes daily for better concentration. This meditation suits all age groups. This is a universal and natural mantra, the mantra of breath. Let's make our daily breath a medium of connecting to the inner self and consciousness. Continue doing the meditation as long as you feel comfortable. Don't forget to take a silence for 2 minutes before opening your eyes. Don't practice this meditation while driving, while doing some attentive work. Let the universal consciousness guide you to the peace and serenity. Namaskar.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get instant updates on my latest videos.